Now, the school is nothing without my dear Pioneers. And I want to take some time to recognize the exceptional performance of our Pioneers in multiple different fields. In academics, in the CBSE Class 10 board examinations, Ahana Parija secured the second rank in the state with 99.2%. 22% students secured above 95%, and 60% students were above 90%, and 93% achieved more than 75%, resulting in an impressive school average of 88.82%. In CBSE 12th board examinations, Dheeraj Dhanuka topped the school with an outstanding 98.8%, and more than 21% of our students secured above 95%, 45% students above 90%, and our school average reached the highest ever so far with 89.08% in commerce, 88.28% in science, and 89.05% in humanities. In CLAT 2026, the results of which was declared just a few days back, last week, Prathamesh Gaurav secured an All India rank 14 and state rank 1. And in IELTS Delhi, he is AIR All India rank 8 and again state rank 1. In NEET, Aditya Kiran Bal secured an All India rank of 128, state rank 2, and secured admissions to all the top medical colleges. A total of 35 students qualified for the NEET exam in 2025. In JEE, 54 students cleared JEE Mains, 17 students JEE Advanced, securing admission to the top engineering colleges in the country. 16 Pioneers achieved the distinction of becoming global ambassadors by securing admissions to top universities across the globe. 13 Pioneers successfully qualified and became chartered accountants this year. Arya Prasad Naik became the national topper in the All India National Level Science Talent Search examinations. Beyond academics, I am extremely proud to share that Sneha Sumedha and Anahita Arunima have been recognized as India Book of Records Achievers. Jasmine Das, Khirabdi Tanaya Raut, and Punnam Devta, in recognition of their outstanding talent and dedication to dance, have been awarded the National Junior Scholarship by CCRT, Government of India. Kian Jaiswal has been selected for the ISRO Astro Tourism Program. Arinjit Mohanty and Trisha Acharya have been awarded Bronze Honor in the International Astronomy and Astrophysics competition. The achievements doesn't end here. In the field of sports, in Modern Pentathlon World Championships 2025 held in South Africa, Rai Guru Shuryans Mahapatra received silver and bronze medals. And he is also a national level swimmer and a national level athletic champion. Sanvi Rai is a state level rifle shooter. Ashmita Behra won the gold medal in state level karate championship. Our students have excelled in diplomacy as well. Tarun Tapan Bhuya is the only Indian student selected to be part of the State of Youth Board for 536 chapters in 69 countries. Dhriti Moksha Panigrahi has been appointed as an advocate to the UN Youth Group on nuclear disarmament. Parents, I would request you, at least my Pioneers deserve a huge round of applause. Thank you so much. And I also would like to take this opportunity to thank all of you, the most integral part of Sai family, without whose support, none of this would have been possible. Thank you so much.